guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Cuttte face mask brushes. Here's what they look like in the package. They're like colored. Okay, I'm going to take them all out just so I can show you, And my face, by the way, is freshly washed because, you should always have a clean face before you, put on a face mask. And then, wash it off, moisturize it, and all that. And now it says, thank you.
Are you 100% satisfied with your order? If you have any questions or concerns, contact us directly at cutteservice@outlook.com. We promise we will take responsibility for any problems you have, and we will respond to you within 24 hours. Okay, that was cute though. I like the little thank you cards.
That was cute though. I like the little thank you cards. Here's what they look like. They are so cute though, and they are rubber. Actually though, it feels like it would leave something on your face, but it doesn't. These are really soft. Oh my gosh. And if you're wondering why I'm looking up, it's because I have a mirror, a makeup mirror I'm using, but I'm sure you can figure that out. Whoa, that's and I don't have to worry about face masks and stuff getting up my nails, or just it just being more difficult to spray, using too much time. But yeah, some people use makeup brushes, but I just think these would work. So I'm gonna be using this face mask brush. I'll speed it up when I put the mask on. This is the face mask I use. I'm not sponsored. Derma Indie Skincare Charcoal Mud Detox Refine Purify Deep Pore Mask. I think that's how you say it. I'm so great at pronouncing things. No judging. Face mask, and it's a wash off. It's a clay mask, and I'm gonna try to say this. Kaoline clay. Okay, but yeah, that's a really good clay for your face. Don't just go in the wild and just rub it on your face. I don't suggest that, but yeah, this is it. I've used a lot. It was at the top. It's just 2 ounces. And so yeah, I'm gonna take this and apply it. And you're wondering why my hair is in a towel. It's because my morning routine starts with washing my hair and conditioning my hair. Ooh. Whoa, I'm feeling pretty fancy. Wait, that's nice. That's so quick. I always skip around my eyes, so okay. I'm gonna speed it up now. Oh my goodness. By the way, it does dry like a gray blue, but oh my gosh, wait, look at that. Oh no, this is dull. Better fix that. It literally looks so good. And it took under 5 minutes to do that. Oh boy, I am now obsessed with these brushes, and I will forever use them. Oh, this is the aftermath. Look at that. And you can just easily rinse it off and put it away. Wow, I'm okay, no, thank you. It works so well, and I'm so happy that I finally have face mask brush appliers. And yeah, and I really recommend you guys buying these. I will link them in the description below. Again, not sponsored. I will tell you in the very beginning if I am. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, and follow me on my social media, and link in the description. Bye guys! I'm gonna be reviewing Cuttte? Cutie? Probably Cutie. Cutie! Made in China. Oh no. I'm kidding. My voice went away for a second. Whoa. Are they different sizes or am I seeing things? I'm seeing things, right? Yeah, I am. Okay. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, I'm seeing things. Okay. I'm gonna use this pink one for... Wait. What? Wait, hold on. Are these different sizes? Okay, I'm seeing things. Okay, cut this part out, but like that's a good clue. It is 2 fluid ounces. Oh my gosh, no. Morning routine starts with washing my hair and moisturizing, but conditioning my hair. If YouTube wants to turn off my comments for this video, even though I am a good, even though I'm not like a little toddler, then please feel free to comment on my social media. Because some of my videos get the comments shut off and I don't get it.